Welcome. My name is Matthew Wright with DLW Law, and today we're talking about one of those exciting changes that happens in young people's lives, and that's the opportunity to go to college and really get away from the home and establish their own life. But it's also a time that is fraught with peril in terms of legalities, because when a child becomes 18, they become the age of majority in the state of Texas, so they can enter into contracts and leases. And specifically, those students that go away to college are going to be hit with multiple opportunities to sign contracts and be part of leases. It's important that you sit down with your college-bound student or your 18-year-old that's going to be venturing out in the workforce and talk about what it means to sign and read a contract. Specifically now, with a lot of our contracts coming over the internet and a simple click with and yes, I accept, individuals are forming contracts that can have lasting consequences. So it's important to teach young people that they need to read and understand what a contract entails. One of the issues that is of concern to college-bound students living away from home is the lease agreement for their housing. It's important that the individual reads the lease, understands the conditions of the lease, and understands what could violate the lease. A lot of college town leases include conditions such as the number of people that can be in the apartment at any time, individuals that stay over for longer periods of time, and also subleasing. If the student doesn't understand and know those contract requirements, they may find themselves with being evicted simply for breaking one of those simple rules. Another thing for them to understand is when payment is due. I encourage people to have a reoccurring payment set up that automatically pays the rent on time and ensures that it's delivered, that makes sure that there's a receipt. The other thing too is that's important is take photos on move-in day, because at the end of the lease, the leasing company may attempt to collect or keep their deposit or damage fees. The only defense that you have is if there's proof upon what the condition was upon move-in. So just take a couple pictures with your smartphone of the bathroom, the shower, the carpeting, the walls, and it will save you a lot of time. It's important that during this exciting time, individuals understand that they can also contract for credit cards, and that can have disastrous consequences. So talk to your student about credit and the use of a credit card, and resist the temptation to sign up for credit cards during book week or during move-in week when credit card companies specifically appear on campus offering great freebies and deals that in the end, due to high interest rates, cost a lot. So it's important to have these discussions with your college-bound student and make sure that they're able to enjoy the college life free of any legal entanglements. My name is Matthew Wright with DLW Law, your hometown law firm.